Welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see about percentage. So what is percent? Let's break the word into two parts. Per-cent. Cent means century. Century means 100. This can be denoted by a symbol. This is the percentage symbol. So 65% means 65 per 100. Per means division. So 65 divided by 100. Anytime you have a percent, you can put the number over 100. So 65 by 100 and get rid of the percent sign. Don't forget to simplify the fraction if possible. When dividing by 100, just move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So 65 divided by 100 is 0.65. Let's try some examples. 3%. To get rid of the percent symbol, we do 3 divided by 100. Remember, when you're dividing by 100, move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left. So, since 3 is a one-digit number, we write 03 and put a decimal point. So, 3% is 0.03. Let's see 25%. To get rid of the percent sign, we write it as 25 divided by 100. So, now remember that you have to move the decimal point 2 spaces to the left when you're dividing by 100. So, 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. Let's see an example. I went to a shop and saw a Lego set for $80. The sign said 20% off. This can be written as 20% of 80. To get rid of the percent sign, we divide. So we write 20 divided by 100. In mathematics, there's a symbol for off, which is multiplication. So write the multiplication sign and write 80. So 0 and 0. Next, this 0 and this 0. Next, 2 into 8 is 16. So when we simplify this, we get 16. Now, don't get too excited that the Lego set is only for $16. This is the discount price. Now, don't get too excited that the Lego set is only for $16. This is the discount price. The actual price after the 20% off is the price of the Lego set, which is $80, minus the discount price, which is $16. So 80 minus 16 is $64. So we get the Lego set for only $64 now. Hooray! Let's see another example. I saw a drone for $120 and the sign said 15% off. This can be written as 15% of 120. I'm going to tell you an easy and fast way to calculate percentage in your mind. 15% can be written as 10 plus 5. So we find 10% of 120. When we find 10%, put the decimal point one digit to the left. So we get 12. In the normal way, we do 120 divided by 100 into 10. When we simplify this, we also get 12. Now to find 5% of 120, 5 is half of 10. So we find the half of 12, which is 6. So 5% of 120 is 6. So add 12 plus 6, which gives 18. So the discount price is $18. The actual price after the 15% off is the price of the drone, which is $120, minus the discount price, which is $18. So $120 minus $18 is $102. So now the drone is available for $102. Let's see another example. I see an iPad for $140 and the tag said 48% off. This can be written as 48% of 140. 48% is 50 minus 2. So find 50% of 140. 50 is half of 100 and the 100% price is 140. So find the half of 140, which is 70. So 50% of 140 is 70. Now next find 2% of 140. So find 1% of 140. To find 1%, place the decimal point 2 digits to the left. So 1% of 140 is 1.4. Since we need to know 2%, we do 1.4 plus 1.4, which gives 2.8. Next we subtract this. So when we subtract this, we get 67.2. So the discount price is 67.2. The actual price after the 48% off is the price of the iPad, which is $140, minus the discount price, which is $67.20. So 140 minus 67.20 is $72.80. Now we get the iPad for $72.80.
Thanks for watching.